I chose to come to Harvard because of the small class size. I really value a close community, and that is something that this school with a class size of 35 was able to offer.
There's so many opportunities to create your own path. During our first year, we're in the medical school. We're learning how to do exams on patients in some of the best hospitals in the world, and we're getting instruction from some of the best doctors in the world. And it's a really different perspective on dentistry as really a part of medicine.
I chose HSDM because I knew that it was going to give me a really good medical background. The second reason that I chose Harvard was because they have a really good research program here.
The location was something that I really wanted. I wanted to be in a city, and I think it's important to be in an environment that not only embraces change, but facilitates it.
You get such personal attention here. This is the first place where advisors have reached out to me and said, like, do you want to meet with me? Do you need any help with anything? And that has been so great. Also, one of the things that was important to me was the pass-fail aspect of the curriculum. Everyone here is very motivated and strives to be the best version of themselves they can be. Having the pass-fail really allows for collaboration among the students.
I think that there's a place for everybody at Harvard.
Everybody will have their group of friends here, and it's a very supportive environment. The faculty will definitely help you adjust into the environment, into the clinic, into the classes.
If someone asked me whether or not they should apply to HSDM, I would tell them that they absolutely should. Harvard looks for a lot more than just test scores and GPA in their applicants.
Everybody's here and chosen for a reason. Something in you that is special, that is unique, and something that you can contribute to this campus.
There's just such a sense of belonging here, and I've made some of the best friends that I've had in my life here. When you come here, you will see that it's just such a welcoming and great environment to learn.
As soon as I got accepted, I had a fourth year reach out to me. He had just graduated and asked me if I had any questions about what it means to be a Black student in dental school, if I had any concerns. It made me realize that I was going to a place where I was going to fit in. Studying in the medical school for the first year was one of the greatest experiences I've had in my life. Just learning from all of these students and their different backgrounds and the world-renowned faculty that we get to talk to on a daily basis.
During your second year, you get the opportunity to do rotation throughout the different specialties in dentistry. A lot of students who come to HSDM are interested in research, and our school is unique because we do require a research project. You can do projects in public health, you can do more like data collection projects.
Harvard is unique in the fact of the opportunities you can get from it. We have a huge global health department here. I was able to get involved with the Global Health Starter Kit and being an advocate for oral health worldwide. I think the resources in the clinic and out of the clinic really give students the ability to pursue whatever passion they have outside of dentistry as well.
Harvard has a lot of great public health outreach programs, and I've been lucky enough to spend some time in some of those clinics. And one of them is the Nashua Street Jail program, and that has been such an eye-opening experience to provide care to a marginalized group that is often looked over and is unique to Boston.
Give Kids a Smile is a day that Harvard puts on once a year. Kids from the community can come in and get free dental care. There are so many children that don't get proper health and dental care that they need. And so I think it's one of the most important events that our school does.
Harvard has a really strong commitment towards having a diverse group of students. I am one of the fellows of Office of Diversity and Inclusion, and with some of the fellows, we were able to create a program that caters towards bridging the gap between minority students and a career in dentistry. With programs like Bridge to Dental School, we're hoping to increase the number of underrepresented minority students in the dental field.
I like living in Boston because it's a very active city. I love biking, I like running. There's a nice path along the Charles River. There's also the Harvard Arboretum and Jamaica Pond below us. Cambridge is a nice spot for walking. Overall, it's an active city.
I love living in Boston. Boston is a really student-friendly city. It's very lively, and there are a lot of students from all over the world.
And from one side to the other, there are so many different cultural pockets that you get to explore.
My friends and I like to do is just explore Boston, go to the different museums, the Gardner Museum right down the street, MFA.
The purpose of our Big Little Sibling program is to help students feel a part of the community at HSDM. I had a great mentor, and now I have 6 littles, and they've been really fun to interact with. It's nice to have that support system here, and I value each of them.
My goal is to be a private practice pediatric dentist and to own my own practice. My long-term goal is to have a practice that focuses on treating patients of different backgrounds.
I came into dental school knowing that I wanted to pursue a career in academia and a clinical practice. Once I was here, I got involved with the iLab, and that was able to change my perspective, and now I also want to be an entrepreneur.
What I've enjoyed most about my experience in dental school so far, learning that this field is forever changing and growing and advancing, and I'm getting in at such a great time. Just really exciting to see what's coming.
You should come to HSDM if you care about patient-centered care and forming lifelong relationships.
You should come to HSDM if you're looking for an environment that really fosters growth and collaboration within dentistry and medicine.
If you're looking to see all the avenues within dentistry that you can pursue, HSDM is a great place to do that.